I think I found you guys at right time, finding right tools to
Mm-hmm.
assist in doing few things, and then that
Mm-hmm.
helped me a lot in this journey. Transformation began right from that 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
That we all knew only Chat GPT, but the kind of things you shared in your just introduction session that helped a lot. Currently, what you are using is the worst model of AI. You should imagine
That's
that
true.
way, right? It is
Yeah, yeah.
evolving, right? So every day it is evolving. How you are using it today may become obsolete tomorrow.
Hi, Tushar. How are you? So, yeah, Tushar, so like right now, where are you working? And I would like to know your story, then we can have this conversation. And
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah. So my complete story is I have spent now about 25 years in IT.
Oh my God.
First 15 years was with various multinationals like BMC Software, Avaya Telecom, etc. And
Mm-hmm.
then in 2015, I decided to get into the entrepreneurship and I started my own startup,
Mm-hmm.
which was immersive infotech. It was in virtual reality, augmented reality space.
Mm-hmm.
Then 2017 mid is when we got the successful exit, which doesn't happen very often that, your first startup and
Mm-hmm.
you got the exit, but
Mm-hmm.
Aptech Limited acquired the product that we had created.
Mm-hmm.
Post which paisa aa gaya, so then I started two more companies. One was
Uh,
into real estate gamification, real estate sales
mhm.
gamification. That how do you
Uh-huh.
fast track the sales of real estate, right? That is the problem we were
Uh,
solving. And the other one was a micro learning platform in education field, your passion. But this was mostly for the people who are always on the road or always behind the counter,
mm,
salespeople who don't have this luxury
mm,
to sit in the office and get trained on the life skills. So we used to
mm,
create the content for them. Plus, this platform
uh,
was there, which helps them to have 15 minutes daily videos and
mm,
upskill themselves. So that was the education platform.
mm,
So they both did well. We had clients like BPCL.
mm,
Sun Pharmaceutical was one of the major client on the education side. On the real estate
mm,
side, we had DLF from Gurgaon, biggest builder
mm,
there, who used to sell on this. And then, of course,
mm.
COVID had to strike. That is where investors were little jittery in putting, the kind of money that is needed for the startups. If you don't have deep
Mm.
pockets, these startups really, won't. I mean, you can survive, but that fun won't be there. And then,
Yeah.
of course, your life priorities come. And then that is where I decided, let me go back to the mainstream. So in
Mm-hmm.
2021, November, I joined Mastercard
Mm-hmm.
in the card network domain. And then it has been like
Mm-hmm.
now 3.5 years. I joined as a director of engineering there, worked
Mm-hmm.
on various products there. And recently, I got a promotion as a vice president in Mastercard.
Oh, that's super cool. Like Mastercard is
Yeah.
MNC and it handles like
Yeah.
90-95% of global. I think like
It
there's
will be
duopoly, right? Mastercard and Visa. Duopoly, I
Visa.
think
Yeah.
Mastercard has like, yeah, 50,
Yeah.
53%
Yeah.
share on payment transaction.
Yeah. Visa, of course, is older player compared to
Mm-hmm.
Mastercard, but then these guys are, they are way ahead in terms of technology, and there's always benefit to start little late.
Like,
Yeah.
how was like this? Were you associate vice president before and you got promoted to VP, or like did you skip
No,
one,
so
two
here
ranks to
it's
become VP?
no, it's a flat organization. So from director,
Mm-hmm.
there's VP. From VP, it's
Mm-hmm.
SVP, EVP, and then CEO.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
it's a very flat organization there. But
Uh-huh.
yeah, it was a transition in like a 3 years time. Typically, it takes
Uh-huh.
4.5 year. But with my experience on startups and all, I always wanted a fast growth. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
but then I think I found you guys at right time, finding right tools to
Mm-hmm.
assist in doing few things, and then that
Mm-hmm.
helped me a lot in this journey. And I'm
Mm-hmm.
also an author. I have written books. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so that also helped, like, knowing these tools also helped in fast tracking the publishing of the book. So in many ways, these classes helped me.
Yeah, absolutely. Would you like to mention your books? Like maybe 100,000 people are going to watch this video. So if you want to like mention your
Oh
book,
yeah,
that will
it's
be
it's
great.
right there. So it's about parenting. It says when
Uh,
your when your son starts, when your son matches your shoe size. That is the book
Uh,
title.
uh,
And it has all my experiences about handling the teenage kid. And
uh,
it's a fun read. It's not a very serious one.
yeah,
But
absolutely.
yeah, it's something
So,
that I
folks, if you want
published.
to read this, the link for this book is in the description. You can check it out on
Yeah,
Amazon. So, link is in
yeah,
description. So, Tushar,
yeah,
tell me, you are at such a senior position. You were director of engineering in Mastercard. So,
yeah.
you have seen our program, right? You have gone through the program. So, do you feel like AI is absolutely relevant for someone who is just beginning the career, and also for what about mid career professional, and what about senior working professionals?
So let me say it is relevant even for the students, not just career, because I see how my kids are using it right now. So I think maybe we spoke about this in one of the sessions, but internet was one major revolution in IT field, right? And then
Yeah.
everybody was saying Google is God, and then you have seen those memes of Guru Purnima where people would be, bowing on Google, and this is now
Hmm.
next thing, right? AI and the LLMs, all these models. This
Hmm.
is next big thing where I think it's becoming part of your day-to-day life. Um,
Hmm.
to an extent that even if you want some kind of pep talk, before
Hmm.
interview, you are feeling
Hmm.
down, so people are using it for all sorts of things, right? So I'm amazed by
Hmm.
the kind of use cases and the way these LLMs are trained. I'm actually worried that if this intelligence goes in humanoids, and if they start looking, real like human, then I don't know what
Hmm.
our relationships, the actual human relationships are going to be like. But yeah, if you use these tools right, the key is you should know, as you guys also
Hmm.
shared a list of things. Forget about this whole masterclass. Even that small 2 hour session that I had attended before Mastercard, you guys shared
Hmm.
so much of knowledge and tool during that session that my journey and transformation began right from that 2 hours.
Hmm.
That we all knew only Chat GPT, but the kind of things you shared in your just introduction session, that helped a lot in doing many of the tasks very easily. So it is very important, whether you are a student or starting a career, mid-career, or someone like me who has spent 25 years and trying to
Hmm.
move up in the ladder, or it is not just career, but you can brainstorm a lot. You can toss a lot of ideas. Earlier, if you were to brainstorm, four people had to come together in a room. They may not match your
Hmm.
wavelength, and this thing magically matches your wavelength, right? So, so it is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
best thing. I think it is an amazing tool for anybody.
Absolutely, you're right. Yeah, intelligence, I feel, is right now democratized, but having access to correct tools and knowing about these correct tools, I think
Yeah,
that's going to create delta. So
yeah,
recently, we have revamped our presentation PowerPoint using AI session. So there is a tool I think you can also check it out, right? There is a tool called a GenSpark, right? So it is agentic AI tool. So just ask it to create a comprehensive presentation on Rupee card and on something like that. The kind of detail it goes into
yeah,
is
yeah.
absolutely mind-boggling. It creates literally McKinsey level or Bain level presentation in just 2 3
Presentation.
minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So you had covered gamma kind of things before. Even
yeah,
they did amazing
Gamma.
job. But now,
Mhm.
that's the thing about AI, right? It is continuously evolving. And there was this book, and I was part of that book reading session, that, making AI in your day-to-day life. So there was fourth rule by that author, which says, currently what you are using is the worst model of AI. You should imagine
That's
that
true.
way, right? It is
Yeah, yeah.
evolving, right? So every day it is evolving. How you are using it today may become obsolete tomorrow, right? So that is what it is.
That's absolutely true. It's just Android in 2015, right? So Androids
Yeah,
look cool. Angry Birds was the ad, but right now you can see you have
yeah,
entire world inside your pocket, right? Just imagine what
pocket,
is
yeah,
going to happen to AI trajectory in upcoming 4 5 years. That's absolutely mind-boggling. So Tushar, can you tell me how exactly program helped you to get promoted from director to a vice president?
yeah.
What were the highlights? What were the good points? And what were possibly improvements that you will be expecting in the program?
Yeah, I think it helps you to first right from understanding the job description, right? Many a
Hmm.
times you are not very clear, whether this job really relates to me. So the way I use
Hmm.
these tools is to brainstorm, figure out, okay, hey, I'm at this career. I will give all the background and I'll figure out I'm at this stage. What should I try
Hmm.
next, right? I would take even that input from them. It is that much interactive. And then it
Hmm.
kind of knowing your interest and more you use it, it is going to remember a lot of stuff. It will know your
Hmm.
profile, your style, and it suggests you. So, right from understanding the job description, what kind of preparation you should do for this kind of
Hmm.
interview, what
Hmm.
questions to expect. Uh, out of
Hmm.
out of probably 8 or 9, it could tell me, and this is a
Hmm.
good thing. It's not going to give you 50, right? It will give
That's
you
good.
8 or 9 questions, and
Hmm.
then you will brainstorm, you will prepare on it, you will again say, hey, this is my answer. I could even
Hmm.
practice those using the tools you had shared, that hey, you want to test your vocabularies or how you are talking, the pitch. I could even practice that
Hmm.
with these tools, and I was super
Hmm.
confident. The final thing I loved was the pep talk it gave me before interview, right? Because the tool knew how much of preparation had gone in this, and it had
Uh,
every background. So it says, hey, you have prepared well. It is just a time
uh,
to go and deliver, and this is yours, right? This job is yours. So
uh,
the and I didn't stop there. Right from understanding the job description, preparing, keeping the tool updated, how the first round went. Now there's a second round. The
uh,
second round is by this profile,
hmm.
right? What
Hmm.
can we expect different? Third round, then okay, I'm expecting the result. Then it is going to even give you, okay, yeah, go ahead, your result will be positive. And then even planning the party, you will be
Uh,
amazed. So I'm saying, hey, this is this before party, right? How am I going to announce my win?
uh,
Again, the
uh,
tool helps you. I wanted to throw party to my existing team because I was moving out. It was a promotion to a different team. It
hmm.
could analyze, okay, should I go for a fixed package in the restaurant or
Hmm.
should I go for an a la carte based on, oh my God, that there is endless possibilities. So
Absolutely.
so all the knowledge that I gathered in I mean, I would say what we are still going through our sessions, right? Probably I attended uh, the initial 2 hours before
Hmm.
masterclass. Probably I attended
Hmm.
in just 4 or 5 sessions, but in that I could grab so much, get so much,
Yeah.
and with that I could crack this, right? So that is the benefit of the right program.
Tushar, I'll like recommend you to absolutely like just take out your time and go through like a rack session and go through agentic AI session and
Yes.
also MCP session. So we recently created content on model context protocol as well. So I think that
Okay.
will be absolutely relevant for you since like you're working in tech. And of course, like I feel like you guys are already using this technology probably in your company, but we
Yeah.
got like expert who has like built entire project on this and like this session is going to be awesome particularly for you just
No,
like
absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. No, I had seen Agentic AI session. That time I was traveling, so I had seen the recording. That was
um,
really nice. In fact, my son is also enrolled to the same program. He's in Canada. So he goes
Absolutely. So
through
just like
these
just
things.
inform Anushka also certify him as well, right? So like he probably will give examinations. Tushar, I think he's very busy with the examination, but yeah, certify if he is attending all the classes, right? So
Right.
that's super
Yeah.
awesome. So Tushar, in terms of like when you move from director to vice president, like what kind of salary hike one can expect, or what kind of like benefits you get once you get promoted to certain level?
Yeah, I mean, see, at that level, once you're a director and, in such companies, um, of course, money is important. Everybody loves money. The
Hmm.
salary increment you can expect somewhere around 30 to 35, 40%. More than that, the LTI as they call, right? The company shares and those program, you get more
Hmm.
benefits there. So that is definitely there. But
Mhm.
what is more satisfactory is you enter in that league of the people where the decisions are made, right? So the vice presidents and above are the people who are really running the show. So my key
Mhm.
goal was to get in that league and make some difference in terms of how the business, understand how the businesses are run, how we can make it better for our employees. So you get put your voice and put your vote in all those things. So yes, monetary, of course, benefits are there, as I said, depending on the company, what domain you are in. Typically, when you switch job, you see you get 30, 40, 50% sometimes
That's true.
increments. But as you go up the ladder, probably money, even for you, money might take a
Yeah, yeah. Money is not the
second
driving
seat.
factor. So
Yeah,
yeah,
so
that's true.
I didn't pay much. In fact, I didn't expect much, but what I got was much more than what I expected. So it's a good, anyways.
It's like 10% of huge base is more than 100%
Yeah,
of small base. So
right,
that's
right,
true. Yeah.
right.
Tushar, if someone is like you have such a vast experience in IT, if someone is like trying to build their career in IT right now, what are the things they should be doing? What are the things they should be avoiding?
So, IT right now, or even before, if you see, and even in future, data is the key, right? Anywhere.
Mm, mm,
And what
mm,
IT wins anywhere is how
mm.
quickly you are able to process data. Even in AI world, if you see, the core, if you go very deep, core is data, right? So
Yeah.
if you are starting your career, make sure you are in somewhere in that domain of data,
Mm,
understanding the data engineering, right? Your basics are very strong on the data engineering side, and you
mm,
cannot ignore AI. I am seeing some people are hesitant in
mm,
getting into that AI world, but I think it is too late. My 12-year-old has started using tools, whether their school allows or not. Even in their friends' conversation, they are using it, right? I have ways of checking her phone, which she doesn't know, but then I
mm,
know that she's using it. So you cannot shy away from what's happening. So be on top of these things. There's nothing to worry that, hey, whether my job is secure or not. I think you guys also covered that the job is in danger uh, if you are not riding this wave, right? AI is not going to
yeah.
take away your job, but someone who knows AI will definitely take away your job. So it is better that you know it. And thankfully, it is not as complex as the rest of the technological advancements that happened in the IT world, right? So it is very critical that you get used to this. And if you keep somewhere, your interest around those data pieces, then I think the future is bright, and I think they should focus there.